Sorry guys. Hi, welcome back, and today we're going to be playing Royal High, and Rainbow is my date for the prom. That's happening in about a couple of hours. So, hi Royal, Rainbow, Rain, hi Rain. I'll go see you tonight. I'll go see you tonight. We're going to the dance, right? Okay, sorry if the audio is bad. Okay. See ya. See ya. Okay, so I'm gonna go get ready, have, a little nap, do my homework. Please. Okay.
It's 6:30.
Okay, let's do our homework. Oh, great. Sorry I haven't been uploading as much. It's just that I've been busy doing some other stuff. I think the girl is trying to contact me, as you can see in chat. Okay. Wait. Journal. Okay, homework. Sewing, art, and baking homework. Okay. So here's baking. Oh, here's art. And what was it? Forgot. Swimming. Oh. Funny that I didn't even do swimming today. Oh dear. This guy Jake. Weird. I just think you're talking about yourself too much. What? Okay. There's two Jakes. Oh my god. This is chaos. There is no way. That should better not be. Oh, thank god she's not. Okay, so the girls, they're just getting ready for prom. I need to sleep. Oh my god. Brown. How do you do this? This new update is very annoying. Dress up. Brown. Hide. Okay, now let's just go dress up. Let's just put on some PJs, outfits, PJs. Go green. There we go. Is that creepy or is this... Oh damn it, I gotta get up. I gotta start getting ready for prom. I had a bit of a snooze, that's okay. Okay. Just put this on. Go to the dance. Oh no. Oh, thought I was having them. Okay. Andreas. Oh. Okay. Eva just wants to be. Oh, hey Rainbow. Oh, Rain. Oh, I can't be bothered typing Rainbow. I know, right? Cupcake? Sure. Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. She's so nice. I mean, Elizabeth has E-L-I-S-A than this. Okay. Oh my god, this cupcake looks so yum. This stuff is kinda hard. I know, right? Oh, she's yelling at the woman. Here, have your thing back. I'm going to show for you guys. You're so nice. You're so nice. Thanks. Okay, I need to do something really quickly. Okay, let's just go back into here. Let's go home. I need to unfriend someone. Here she is. It's not because she's mean, it's because she's really annoying. And she thinks that we're dating. And I'm just like, no. Okay, here. Can I have one too, please? Saying, you're such a good cook. You're such a good cook. Okay, what is this girl's name? I voted you. Saying I voted you. Oh my god. I vote random. Oh my god. I'm a princess. Well done, I voted you, XD. Oh my god, XD. Okay, let me do a dance. Hey! Hey! Oh, she thinks I'm creepy, guys! Ah, thanks again for tonight. You're so nice. Bye, Rain. Bye. See ya. Thanks again. For thanks again for the cupcakes. I want to share a dorm with her. Oh, I'm gonna ask her right now. Want to be my dorm mate? Want to be my dorm mate? I just wanted her to give it to her. What? Okay, so guys, you'll find out in the next episode if me and Tina. Oh, wait. Hi. Wanna be dorm mate? Wanna be dorm mates? Oh, damn it. Sorry, guys. I spelled it wrong. Okay. Bye. Ah. Might we run down here? So one here. No. Hehehehe. Oh my god, she's so cheeky. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here, and you know what happened to me and Elizabeth in the next episode. Goodbye.